I'm going to show you the difference between a yarn over and a yarn under single crochet. Here you can see I'm putting the yarn over my hook when I pull it through, and then over and through. That is a yarn over, yarn over. So this is what I normally use in my amigurumi, and I use it on the mermaid pattern for the tail and the fins and the hair. So you can see that's what it looks like there. Okay, now we're changing colors on this round. I'm going through the back loop only. So put my hook through, I yarn over and pull up one loop. Before I pull up my second loop, I'm going to get my skin color. I'm going to hold on to that and pull it through, and then I'm going to drop that tail and the green color, and I'll be crocheting with the other color now. And I'm going to keep going in the back loop only because that makes a nice line. But here you can see I go under my hook instead of over. I'll do it again. I go under, pull through, over, pull through. You can go yarn under. That'll make a very tight stitch. I prefer not to do that for most of my amigurumi with plush yarn because it's a little too tight for my tension. But I'll show you how I do it on a normal, where we're not going just through the back loop. You go through both stitches as normal, but the yarn goes under the hook and then over. Under the hook and then over. Okay, already you can see the difference between the kind of taller stitches of the yarn over. Here you can see on the piece, it's just a much tighter knit weave. That's why I use it.